these high winds we're experiencing are nothing more than an inconvenience. However, some are without a job today because of them. Majority of construction across the South Plains has come to a complete stop for the day. Our Leah Doherty caught up with some builders as they were waiting out the wind.
It impacts us a lot. As you can tell, there's not many people here on the site.
High winds across the South Plains are making any outside work nearly impossible.
You can't pour concrete on a day like this. You can't lay brick on a day like this. You know, if you're digging or digging trenches or doing anything like that, the dirt just covers you up. A guy's in a framing stage and has some braces up and his braces give, then he's got to go back and realign all of his walls.
West Texans are certainly no strangers to high winds. However, enough of these days can make a real impact.
A day here and a day there, by the time you enter the job, you may be delayed a month or 2 months.
During days like today where we are seeing winds up to 70 miles per hour, it's just really not safe for construction crews to be outside working. However, there is some work they can still do inside, anything from painting, electrical work, cabinetry. They are safe to do. However, there are still some risks when you're inside, whether you're working or you're just inside your home in general. Make sure those doors and windows are shut and locked, because in winds like we're seeing today, those can still be ripped off and fly away.
I mean, it's miserable. Like, days like today are just miserable. You don't want to be out.
The wind not only keeps workers from being outside, but can cause damage to existing buildings, pushing progress further back.
It puts a stop to a lot of stuff that we do, but it also damages a lot of our constructions. Those guys will have to stop work for a lot of builders that they're working for around town.
Leah Doherty, KLBK News.